1. 1930 Ford Model A Coupe. Price, $22,500, located Magnolia, Texas. This 1930 Ford Model A Coupe is a traditional hot rod that combines classic styling with proven performance. Built in the 1960s, this unique custom vehicle represents an era when hot rodding was all about creativity, craftsmanship, and individuality. Showing approximately 1,234 miles, the car features an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong 1964 Corvette 327 V8 engine equipped with a small cam and a desirable 3-deuce carburetor setup. Finished in red with a matching red interior, the coupe stands out wherever it goes. The body retains a remarkable amount of authentic patina, including paint that is reportedly more than 60 years old. Additional highlights include lake-style headers with baffles, a 1931 Chevrolet chassis, a 1949 Pontiac rear end, 4-wheel disc brakes, a 1932 grille shell, and classic big and little bias-ply whitewall tires. Inside, the vehicle features a vintage 1938 Ford dashboard that enhances its nostalgic appeal. According to the seller, the car runs great, has no rust, and everything functions properly. It comes with a clean Texas title, delivery may be available, and the price remains negotiable for serious buyers seeking an authentic traditional hot rod. 2. 1932 Ford Roadster Truck. Price, $18,500, located Pensacola, Oklahoma. This 1932 Ford Roadster truck is an award-winning rat rod that blends classic Ford styling with dependable V8 performance. Driven approximately 25,000 miles, the vehicle is powered by a Crate 350 engine paired with a rebuilt Turbo 350 automatic transmission and a locker shifter. The drivetrain combination provides reliable cruising power while maintaining the traditional hot rod personality that enthusiasts appreciate. Finished in black with a gray interior, this custom pickup rides on an aftermarket 1932 frame and features an upgraded front suspension with disc brakes. A durable 10-bolt rear end and coilover shocks contribute to a comfortable driving experience and solid road manners. The truck has been well cared for and is reported to run and drive well with no significant mechanical issues. One of the most unique aspects of this build is the custom pinstriping and artwork completed by renowned artist Dan Keyes. The vehicle has earned recognition at various events, including the Hot Wheels Kids' Choice Award and a Best Rat Rod Award. With a clean title, paid-off status, and distinctive styling, this 1932 Ford Roadster truck offers a memorable hot rod experience for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 3. 1935 Plymouth Coupe. Price, $65,000, located Gunter, Texas. This 1935 Plymouth Coupe is a professionally built street rod that combines classic pre-war styling with impressive big block performance. With approximately 500 miles showing since completion, the vehicle remains in excellent condition and is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Finished in black with a white interior, the coupe delivers an eye-catching appearance that perfectly complements its powerful mechanical package. Under the hood is a 454 cubic inch V8 engine producing approximately 430 horsepower. Performance upgrades include Manley connecting rods, SRP pistons, a Holley 750 double pumper carburetor, and an electric Holley fuel pump. Power is transferred through a Turbo 350 transmission and a Ford rear end equipped with 3.73 gears, providing strong acceleration and dependable highway performance. Additional features include Vega steering with a chrome steering column, dolphin gauges, GM front disc brakes, a locker shifter, a 16-gallon fuel tank, chrome tri-bar headlights, and classic 1950 Pontiac taillights. The vehicle represents a carefully assembled custom build with quality components throughout. According to the seller, no trades are being considered, making this an opportunity for serious buyers seeking a distinctive and powerful classic coupe. 4. 1932 Ford Roadster. Price, $23,500, located Hot Springs National Park, Arkansas. This 1932 Ford Roadster is a professionally constructed hot rod that offers classic styling, lightweight performance, and modern reliability. Built from the ground up and meticulously maintained, the vehicle has accumulated approximately 2,365 miles and remains in clean, turnkey condition. Finished in tan with a black interior, the Roadster presents a timeless appearance that attracts attention wherever it travels. Power comes from a dependable 4.3-liter Chevrolet V6 engine paired with a Turbo 350 automatic transmission. This combination provides an excellent power-to-weight ratio, delivering responsive acceleration and an enjoyable driving experience. The vehicle rides on a custom chassis inspired by the Ford Model Y and benefits from a carefully engineered suspension setup. Notable features include a Bantam Hot Rods gel-coat fiberglass body, 4-wheel disc brakes, a dropped front axle, 4-bar front suspension, 4-link rear suspension, rear coilover shocks, LED lighting, and a fully functional rear deck supported by gas struts. These upgrades contribute to both performance and practicality. The seller states that the car is clean, well-kept, and ready for immediate enjoyment. With a clean title and no liens, this roadster is an attractive option for hot rod enthusiasts seeking a dependable and stylish classic. 5. 1921 Ford TT. Price, $24,000, located Denison, Texas. This 1921 Ford TT is a unique all-steel custom hot rod that combines vintage Ford heritage with modern performance upgrades. Showing approximately 500 miles since completion, the vehicle has been extensively rebuilt with nearly every component renewed or upgraded. Finished in gray with a black interior, it offers a distinctive appearance while maintaining the character of an early Ford commercial vehicle. Under the hood is a powerful 377 cubic inch full-roller V8 engine equipped with Brodix cylinder heads. The engine is paired with a 700R automatic transmission, providing strong acceleration and smooth cruising capability. Power steering enhances drivability, making the vehicle comfortable to operate during local cruises, car shows, and weekend events. The seller reports that the truck features new paint, a new interior, and numerous fresh components throughout the build. The paint is described as being in excellent condition, and the vehicle was constructed with the intention of being driven and enjoyed rather than simply displayed. With only a few hundred miles on the completed build, this 1921 Ford TT offers the opportunity to own a highly customized hot rod that stands apart from more common street rod projects while delivering reliable modern performance. 6. 1929 Ford Model A. Price, $18,000, located La Vernia, Texas. This 1929 Ford Model A hot rod is a classic custom build designed for enthusiasts who appreciate simple, reliable performance and timeless styling. With approximately 300 miles reported, the vehicle has been built as a turnkey cruiser that is ready to hit the road immediately. Finished in brown, the car maintains the unmistakable appearance of the legendary Model A while incorporating proven Chevrolet power. The hot rod is equipped with a small block Chevrolet V8 engine paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. This combination has long been favored by hot rod builders for its durability, simplicity, and ease of maintenance. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives exactly as it should with no known mechanical issues, making it a dependable choice for weekend cruises and local car events. Built as a driver-quality street rod, the car offers an enjoyable driving experience and attracts attention wherever it appears. The vehicle has reportedly been well sorted and carefully maintained, allowing its next owner to enjoy it immediately without extensive additional work. For buyers seeking an affordable and dependable classic hot rod with proven components and authentic character, this 1929 Ford Model A represents an appealing opportunity. 7. 1923 Chevrolet T-Bucket. Price, $25,000, located Waco, Texas. This 1923 Chevrolet T-Bucket is a full custom show car built to attract attention wherever it appears. With approximately 300 miles reported, the vehicle remains in very good condition and showcases countless custom touches throughout the build. Finished in blue with a gray interior, this T-Bucket combines traditional hot rod styling with eye-catching details that make it stand out from ordinary street rods. Power comes from a dependable Chevrolet 350 small block V8 engine. The engine bay is filled with chrome accessories that enhance the vehicle's show-quality appearance while maintaining the classic hot rod look enthusiasts appreciate. The lightweight construction of the T-Bucket, combined with V8 power, creates an exciting driving experience that is equally suited for cruise nights, local events, and car shows. One of the most distinctive features of this vehicle is its custom ghost flame paintwork, which adds depth and character without overwhelming the classic design. The interior also follows the flame theme, featuring custom upholstery and unique details throughout the cabin. Carefully built and visually impressive, this 1923 Chevrolet T-Bucket offers a combination of performance, craftsmanship, and show-stopping style for collectors seeking a memorable hot rod. 8. 1932 Ford T-Bucket Roadster. Price, $15,000, located Granbury, Texas. This 1932 Ford T-Bucket Roadster is a traditional hot rod that delivers classic styling and V8 performance at an attractive price point. Showing approximately 300 miles, the vehicle features an original steel body mounted on a custom frame. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the Roadster presents a clean and aggressive appearance that reflects the spirit of vintage American hot rodding. Under the hood is a Ford 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The drivetrain is complemented by a durable 9-inch rear end and a triple-deuce carburetor setup that gives the engine a distinctive period-correct look. According to the seller, the vehicle starts easily, runs well, and provides an enjoyable driving experience. The Roadster is described as a true conversation starter, drawing attention wherever it goes. While the vehicle may benefit from a carburetor rebuild due to sitting for an extended period, it remains a solid and functional hot rod. With a clean Texas title and no major reported issues, this 1932 Ford T-Bucket Roadster offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable classic hot rod with authentic character and strong visual appeal. 9. 1933 Dodge Coupe Custom. Price, $37,500, located Burleson, Texas. This 1933 Dodge Coupe Custom is a rare one-of-a-kind all-steel hardtop convertible that combines historic hot rod heritage with modern updates. Originally built during the mid-1970s, the car gained recognition after being featured in Hot Rod magazine in 1977. Documentation and photographs from its early years are included, making this vehicle especially appealing to collectors who appreciate custom automotive history. Finished in black with a tan interior, the coupe is powered by a Chevrolet 327 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The vehicle also features a Ford 4-link rear suspension, front disc brakes, an aluminum fuel tank, and relocated battery placement in the rumble seat area. During the 1990s, the car received significant updates including a new wiring harness, electric fan, water pump, carburetor rebuild, wheels, and tires. The paint remains shiny and attractive despite minor age-related imperfections, while the interior presents very well. According to the seller, the car is fun to drive and consistently receives attention at events and cruise nights. This unique custom Dodge offers a distinctive blend of hot rod history, proven performance, and classic American craftsmanship. 10. 1940 Chevy Rat Rod. Price, $10,000, located Lampasas, Texas. This 1940 Chevy Rat Rod is an affordable project vehicle that combines vintage Chevrolet styling with reliable Ford the 5.8 power. Built for enthusiasts who enjoy driving and customizing classic vehicles, this Rat Rod offers a solid foundation for further improvement while remaining enjoyable in its current condition. The seller describes the vehicle as running great and delivering impressive performance on the road. Power is provided by a Ford 289 V8 engine, a respected power plant known for its durability and responsive character. The combination of lightweight rat rod construction and V8 performance creates an exciting driving experience that appeals to traditional hot rod enthusiasts. The vehicle retains the rugged appearance and unique personality commonly associated with the rat rod culture. While the car remains a work in progress, it already offers significant potential for its next owner. The seller notes that it still needs some attention and finishing touches, making it ideal for someone who enjoys personalizing and refining classic vehicles. Whether used as a weekend cruiser, local show vehicle, or ongoing custom project, this 1940 Chevy Rat Rod presents an affordable entry into the world of vintage hot rods and custom automotive culture. 11. 1931 Ford Model A. Price, $48,000, located Hewitt, Texas. This 1931 Ford Model A Rat Rod is a highly customized build that combines classic styling with impressive diesel power and modern technology. Showing approximately 3,368 miles, the vehicle stands apart from traditional hot rods thanks to its unique engineering and extensive list of custom features. Built around a fiberglass Model A body, the car offers a distinctive appearance while maintaining the iconic profile of the legendary Ford design. Power comes from a 5.9-liter 12-valve Cummins diesel engine paired with a 3-speed S727 automatic transmission. The drivetrain delivers substantial torque and a unique driving experience rarely found in vehicles of this type. The build also features a custom Z-frame chassis, a custom front suspension system, dual rear wheels, and an airlift air suspension setup that allows adjustable ride height and enhanced visual appeal. Modern conveniences include a rear-view mirror backup camera capable of displaying rear, forward, or split-screen views. The vehicle is titled as a 1931 Ford Model A and has been built with attention to both functionality and individuality. For buyers seeking a truly unique rat rod with diesel performance and custom craftsmanship, this Model A represents a remarkable opportunity. 12. 1934 Ford Tudor. Price, $38,500, located Canyon Lake, Texas. This 1934 Ford Tudor sedan is a traditionally styled custom hot rod that blends classic Ford design with powerful Buick performance. Showing approximately 6,166 miles, the vehicle has been carefully built with a focus on vintage hot rod aesthetics while incorporating quality mechanical upgrades. The chopped sedan body gives the car an aggressive stance and timeless appearance that immediately captures attention. At the heart of the build is a Buick 401 nailhead V8 engine paired with a Buick transmission. This respected powertrain provides strong performance and authentic period-correct character. Additional features include Buick finned front drum brakes, a Ford 9-inch rear axle, rear coilover suspension, and a 4-link rear setup that enhances handling and ride quality. The vehicle rides on SoCal True Pindrive knockoff wheels fitted with fresh Excelsior tires, creating a traditional hot rod look that perfectly complements the chopped body design. Every aspect of the build reflects classic hot rod craftsmanship and attention to detail. Whether displayed at shows, driven to cruise nights, or enjoyed on weekend outings, this 1934 Ford Tudor offers a combination of performance, style, and vintage appeal that makes it a standout addition to any classic car collection.